Hello and welcome to this video on a checkmate into chess puzzle. So you can see here that white is actually up 2 pawns, but black is up a bishop and a rook. Black has the king pinned in on the edge. Let's see if we can work out the checkmate into for white. If we try an unforcing move like moving the queen to d3, the black can get the rook involved, which means that they can trade off the rook and force a checkmate in 6 just by sort of trapping the white king in the corner. Gets the bishop involved. King will have to move away into the corner again. And then we get a checkmate. If we move the queen to g4 to check the king can actually escape. And then although we can win the bishop by doing this check, we're actually in a position where black is still favourable because they're the rook up. The solution to this one is actually to push the pawn on g5. The king moves up, you can just slide the queen over to checkmate. The king moves down, you can move the queen to g4 to checkmate. Yeah, that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.